Ever told yourself, this Monday I'll start fresh, and by Wednesday it's over? You're not alone. 92% of people never make lasting change. But here's the thing, it's not your fault. By the end of this video, you'll know a method so simple it feels almost unfair. Once you see it, you won't look at habits the same way again. Think of your life as a machine. Right now, that machine is producing your current results automatically. Want different results? Don't try harder. Redesign the machine. Let me show you exactly how Sarah, Marcus, Jennifer, and David rebuilt their life machines using 3 engineering principles that change everything. Chapter 1. The Microscopic Win Engine. Your brain is a pattern recognition machine. Every action you take sends a signal. This is who I am. But here's the secret. Your brain can't tell the difference between big signals and small ones. It just counts votes. Meet Marcus, the overwhelmed professional. Marcus worked 60-hour weeks, wanted to read more, bought 12 books, read 0. Then he tried something different, 1 page. Every lunch break. Just 1. What happened? After 3 weeks, Marcus wasn't just reading 1 page. He was carrying books everywhere. His brain had shifted from, I'm too busy to read, to, I'm someone who reads. What's your version of Marcus's 1-page habit? Drop it in the comments right now. I read every one. The microscopic win engine works because it's failure-proof. Can you read 1 page? Can you do 2 push-ups? Can you write 1 sentence? Your brain doesn't think these are pathetic. After a few repetitions, it thinks, we're becoming that type of person. Implementation framework. 1. Pick 1 habit you want to build. 2. Shrink it until it feels stupidly easy. 3. Commit to just that. Micro-action for 7 days. 4. Let momentum handle the expansion. The compound effect of identity starts immediately. Each tiny win makes the next one easier, more natural, more automatic. Why does this work when big changes fail? Because you're not fighting your current life machine, you're gently reprogramming it. Quick recap so far. Your brain counts every action as a vote for who you are. Microscopic wins are impossible to fail at, but create the same identity shift as massive changes. Now let's see how your environment can make these wins automatic. Chapter 2. Environmental architecture. Your environment beats your willpower. Every single time. Want proof? Walk into any casino. Notice there are no clocks, no windows, free drinks flowing. They've engineered an environment where losing money feels natural. Now flip this power to work for you. Meet Jennifer, the busy parent. Jennifer wanted to eat healthier, kept failing. Willpower collapsed around 3 p.m. when kids got home. Her breakthrough? She didn't develop more discipline. She redesigned her kitchen. Fruit bowl on the counter. Junk food in the basement pantry. Pre-cut vegetables at eye level in the fridge. Result? Her family's fruit consumption increased 300% without anyone trying to eat healthier. Quick check. If your kitchen right now makes junk food easier to reach than fruit, hit the like button. This is environmental architecture in action. You're not relying on your future self to make good decisions. You're making it nearly impossible for your future self to make bad ones. The friction principle. Make good habits frictionless. Make bad habits expensive. Want to exercise? Put workout clothes by your bed. Want to stop mindless scrolling? Delete social apps. Make them require 3 steps to access. Want to read more? Books on your coffee table. Phone in another room. Implementation checklist. List your target behavior. Identify the physical triggers. Remove barriers to good choices. Add barriers to bad choices. Test and adjust your environment design. Your L. Your life machine needs good infrastructure. Build it once, benefit forever. So far, we've seen how tiny wins change identity and how your environment makes good choices automatic. Stick with me, because next I'll show you the momentum multiplication effect, how combining these creates unstoppable momentum, plus the single habit rule that prevents backsliding. Chapter 3. The momentum multiplication effect. Here's where the magic happens. When you combine tiny wins with smart environments, momentum doesn't just build, it compounds. Meet David, the former couch potato. David started with 5 push-ups every morning. That's it. His environment? Workout mat beside his bed. Week 1. 5 push-ups. Feeling accomplished. Week 3. Adding sit-ups, felt natural. Week 6. Morning walk seemed obvious. Week 10. Full 30-minute workouts. David didn't force this expansion. Momentum multiplication made each addition feel inevitable. The momentum protection protocol, here's the single habit rule I promised. Never miss twice in a row. Miss once, life happens. Miss twice, you're breaking the machine. Why does this happen? Your brain shifts into what I call upgrade mode. When you're already succeeding, adding improvements feels exciting rather than overwhelming. But momentum works both ways. Miss a few days, the machine starts running in reverse. Your brain shifts from I'm someone who exercises back to I'm someone who used to exercise. The momentum protection protocol. Never miss twice in a row. If you miss, do the micro version immediately. Track your streak visually. Celebrate small wins consistently. Case study comparison. Traditional approach. I'll work out for an hour every day starting Monday. Result: 85% failure rate within 3 weeks. Momentum method. I'll do 2 push-ups every morning for a week. Result: 78% still exercising regularly after 6 months. Implementation framework. Start with your microscopic win. Design your environment for success. Track momentum visually. Add complexity only after automation. Protect your streak fiercely. The multiplication effect explains why some people transform their entire lives while others struggle with single changes. It's not willpower, it's systematic momentum engineering. The engineering blueprint. Everything comes down to this truth. You are not broken. Your system island. Your current results are the perfect output of your current life machine. Want different outputs? Redesign the machine. The life machine has 3 core components. 1. The input system, microscopic wins. 2. The processing environment friction design. 3. The amplifier, momentum, multiplication. Real-world success formula. Sarah, from our opening story, she started with 2 minutes of morning stretching, mat by her bed. After 6 months, she's running half marathons. Marcus read 1 page at lunch, books in his briefcase. Now he finishes 2 books monthly. Jennifer redesigned her kitchen. Family eats fruit like it's candy. David did 5 push-ups, mat beside bed. Now he's in the best shape of his life. None of them developed superhuman willpower. They engineered better systems. The 48-hour challenge. Your 48-hour challenge. Right now, before you close this, choose 1 microscopic win. Something so small it feels almost silly. Write it down. Set up your environment. Do it tomorrow morning. Why 48 hours? Because strategic thinking is worthless without strategic doing. Your future self is waiting. Not for the perfect plan, not for Monday, not for motivation. What will it be? The machine is ready for reprogramming. The only question is, will you press start? It happens faster when you're not doing it alone. Hit that like button if you're committed to trying the 48-hour challenge. Your like tells me this content is helping real people make real changes. If this resonated with you, if you can see yourself as Sarah, Marcus, Jennifer, or David, then you're ready to engineer your breakthrough. But here's the thing about transformation. It happens fast. Share this with someone who's stuck in the old willpower trap. Maybe they're grinding through another failed Monday restart. Maybe they think they lack discipline. Show them they don't need more motivation. They need better engineering. And subscribe, because this is just the beginning. I'm documenting the entire journey of life machine optimization, the advanced environmental triggers, the momentum protection protocols, the compound identity systems that create unstoppable change. Next week, I'm revealing the keystone habit algorithm, how to identify the single habit that automatically improves everything else in your life. But right now, in this moment, you have a choice. Close this video and return to your current life machine, getting the same results it's always produced. Or pick that 1 microscopic win. Set up your environment. Start your 48-hour transformation. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Every breakthrough started with a single action. Your moment is now. What's your micro win gonna be? Drop it in the comments below. Let's build this momentum revolution together. I'll see you in the next video, and I can't wait to hear about your breakthrough.